Hello lovely people, how are we all doing? I hope everyone is fine and dandy and living the best life you can be. So what have I got for you? Well, it's another unboxing. You've seen the title, you've seen the picture, you know we're here for a little known box. But there's a secret behind this little known box, and if you want to find out what it is, then I need you to give me a big old thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so you know when I upload, and of course share this video because everyone wants to get in on the secret, don't they? Okay, let's get into the video. Little Known Box is a beauty subscription box which is monthly, and you can also buy one-off boxes. It costs £15 a month, and as they deliver their box at the end of the month, they've started making it possible to get a previous box for £7.50 when you are a new customer. Train, just wait for the train to go by. The idea behind that is that if you order, say, on the 1st of the month and your box isn't going to come until after the 20th, you might want a box right now to tide you over so that you don't feel like you're missing out on waiting too long. And in that way, you can order a box for half price, £7.50, plus post and packaging, and you can have one ASAP. So that is the box I have now. I do actually have this month's box on its way as well. But I thought, you want to see what this box is too, don't you? Of course. And you can still buy this box right at this moment, so it's still relevant and it'll help you decide if you are a Little Known Box fan. I do have a discount code which is Alifeinhighdef, which they have very kindly given me so that I can share it with you guys. So they've given me a little thank you card. It says, we're sending you the October edition as your extra box because we don't think you've previously received these products. Little Known Box are super kind and thoughtful. So my first month, they had nail products in their box, and I just said, I don't really like nail products. So they so kindly not only sent me the nail products, but they sent me extra items to make up for the fact that I was receiving nail products that I don't like. How amazing is that? They could have just taken out the nail products and given me other stuff. No, no, no. They gave me everything, which was really great. And they always do little handwritten notes. They actually take the time to do that. And they reply really quickly by email as well. So it's great personal service, which is one of the reasons why, even though this box is a little bit more expensive, I'm going to continue with it because I think they do a good job. So every Little Known Box comes like this with a beautiful ribbon. Oh, train. But trains keep going by and traffic's going by, so if you hear that, I do apologise. Right, so this is what our Little Known Box looks like. Oh dear, camera ran out of battery, so here we are. We've got our lovely pamphlet, and then we have our box interior. Ooh, that looks nice, doesn't it? Excited! October 2017, Supernatural. Here's your Little Known Box. With the changing season and gorgeous autumnal colours outside, it's easy to be inspired by nature. The October edition is full of pure, fresh, natural products to refresh and revive your beauty routine in a natural, effective way. This month's box features British brands that go a step further to be ethical and environmentally conscious. They create products that are better for our planet, bodies, skin and health. Oh, that's really good. Until next month, enjoy discovering your new products and natural, ethical brands. Helen and the Little Known Box team. Wonderful. Excited. So let's dive in. I have to go for this giant thing. It looks like a pack of candy kittens, but it's not. Here we are. This is the Cognac Sponge. The Cognac Sponge is nature's enriching, powerful and effective answer, oh, can't hold my arm up like that, to premium skin cleansing, developed by the Japanese who have harnessed the goodness and benefits of the cognac plant for centuries. Silky, soft when wet, gently exfoliates, deeply cleanses skin and the delicate eye area, refines pores, removes water-based makeup, works with or without cleanser, leaves skin radiant, rejuvenated, suitable for sensitive skin, colouring and additive free. It sounds amazing. Sounds like it does everything. 100% natural vegetable fibre face sponge with nourishing mineral rich pink clay for tired or devitalised skin. Wow, I'm going to have to open this up. Oh, and it's a bag that opens very easily, which makes me super happy. So it looks like this. It looks like some kind of weird marshmallow, macaroon, sponge thing. This is just too weird and interesting. The Cognac Sponge Company, a UK-based brand creating cognac sponges with pure cognac fibre and nourishing mineral extracts. The sponges deeply cleanse, exfoliate and refine to give a natural glow and a radiant complexion. They're the ultimate tool in natural effective skincare and gentle enough for sensitive skin. The Cognac Sponge Company carry the Leaping Bunny and Vegan Society symbols. They are committed to producing natural, cruelty-free skincare. We've included a compact, dry facial sponge which fits perfectly in the palm for easy cleansing. Simply add water and the sponge will spring to its full size. Use with or without cleanser. There's 4 different types of sponge that you could get. French pink clay for tired, devitalised skin. French green clay for oily and combination skin. French red clay for dry and mature skin. The sponge in your box has been chosen to suit your skin type based on the results of your beauty preference. Oh, and there's an 100% pure one for all skin types. Shall we go next into our box? This one. What is this? Oh, this is from PHB. It's a natural organic lip crayon with almond oil, vitamin E, matte lip colour and liner, vegan, cruelty-free and halal. This is the colour. Oh, it's like a... Oh, it's metallic. It's like a metallic corally pink colour. Can you see that? Yeah, that's really nice. I like that. I'm trying to think what I'm going to put it with, but I'm going to find something. PHB Ethical Beauty is one of our favourite ethical brands, a family business offering vegan, cruelty-free, natural and halal products. PHB stands for Pure Handmade British and the range is 100% natural and suitable for all. 20% of their products also go to charity. The organic lip crayon comes in 3 matte finish shades, Tiger Lily, Red Pink, Peach and Pink. The lip crayons are 100% pure. Used as an overall lip shade or as a lip liner for long-lasting colour, they are water-resistant, richly pigmented and rich with a natural, gentle, nourishing formula of plant oils and waxes to help keep lips soft. The lip pencils have a gentle, natural and organic formula. They're free from nasties, including parabens, formaldehyde, SLS, mineral oils, fillers, gluten, fragrance and preservatives, and suitable for sensitive skin. Wow, so that's a lot. So if that helps with the colour. It says they're smudge proof, so let's see. Well, I've lost some of the colour. I've smudged a tiny bit, but only a very tiny bit. I've lost more of the colour. It's on my other finger now. But you know what it is? The proof is in the pudding, and the pudding is putting it on my lips. We'll be seeing more of this, I'm sure. Okay, what should we go in for next? Big or little? Big or little? Let's go littler. It's jumping out my paw. This is from Kindness and it's an orange lip balm, 100% natural. All Kindness products are 100% natural, individually crafted in small batches and handmade in Lincolnshire by founders Chris and Marcus. Kindness products are created using the finest natural ingredients without the use of parabens or nasties. We love the Kindness motto, natural creations without compromise. They are passionate about creating high quality natural products which never compromise on design or performance. We've included 100% natural lip balm to care and protect your lips as we head into the colder months. The nourishing shea butter and coconut oil moisturise dry and cracked lips, whilst the addition of beeswax creates a protective layer to lock in moisture. The lip balm comes in 6 different flavours: orange, spearmint, clove and lime, lemon and lime, aniseed and naked. Best used within 6 months of opening. Okay. I am not really keen on any of those flavours, to be honest, so I am actually going to put this straight into my giveaway pile for some lucky person. I'm not going to open it because it says, you know, 6 months from opening is when it lives from, so it's going to be unopened, but I'm sure it will be delicious and top quality. Right, this one, because it's got purple on the label, I couldn't wait any longer. This is from Urban-Veda Rose and Botanics Reviving Body Scrub, organic pomegranate, antioxidant rich, moisture replenishing. And it looks like this. Urban-Veda products are lovingly made in the UK and uniquely formulated to help maintain the skin's natural balance. The brand is inspired by the principles of Indian Ayurveda. Originating 5,000 years ago in the Himalayas, Ayurveda's holistic health and well-being system is based on the therapeutic properties of plants. We've included a 50ml body scrub to introduce you to the Urban-Veda brand and add a touch of luxury to your bathing or shower routine. The perfect product to polish and reveal fresher looking skin, the body scrub is completely microbead free, excellent, and harnesses the milli abrasive pumice and crushed walnut shell powder. The range includes 4 body scrubs: radiant, soothing, reviving and purifying. Argan believe in the value of nature and source natural, fresh and pure ingredients to create their holistic products. The brand is cruelty-free, certified vegan and free from nasties, parabens, artificial colours, SLS, mineral oil and GM ingredients. The key Urban Feeder ranges help harmonise environmental factors to purify, soothe, revive and add radiance. All Urban Feeder packaging is recyclable. They use forest sustainably certified packaging and PCR recycled plastic bottles. So let's have a little sniff of this. Ayurvedic rose imbued with rose damask flower water, evening primrose and enriching jasmine to pamper and tired and mature skin. What are they trying to say? You know, it's my birthday coming up. They're calling me tired and mature all the time. I'm trying to just get a little bit out. Oh, it's like a gel. Can you see that? Just on my nail there. It's like a gel. I see. Because I was like, oh, is that a liquid? Now, that does smell quite rose-like, which I don't mind. But if you don't like a heavy rose scent, you're not going to like this. But it is very nice. Even with the lid back on, that is really scented. The smell is everywhere, which is really nice for me because I like it. Okay, so that was item number 4. Oh no, coming to the end of our box. Hate this bit, hate this bit. So the last item comes in a little bag. Should we find out what's inside? What is? Simply Honest Pure Organic Argan Oil. Nature's multi-purpose wonder oil. The secret is out. Now you see argan oil and all kinds of things, don't you? Like face creams and things. All kinds of things. Come on. Don't know what I'm talking about, do I? Simply Argan Oil is an amazing product for anti-aging, lines and wrinkles, scars, stretch marks, yes and yes, age spots, rosacea, dehydrated skin and lips, dry, frizzy, damaged hair, dry, bristle nails and much more. Oh, feed and nourish, it says on the side. Simply Argan Oil is extremely rich in vitamins, antioxidants, essential fatty acids and is unrivaled by any natural or man-made product. With this unique composition, it is rich in tocopherols, vitamin E, which is essential for skin, phenols, carotenes and squalene. You know, good old squalene. We're always after a bit of extra squalene in our life, aren't we? We know what that means, don't we? Ingredients. Argania spinosa kernel. Use. Undiluted on face, body, nails and hair. May also be added to a bath. Results. Nourishing, rehydrating, rejuvenating. Best within 6 months of opening. It's the finest 100% pure cold pressed organic argan oil. This product may not be suitable if you have a nut allergy. Free from additives, perfume and preservatives. Ooh, look at this. Fancy pants. How nice is that bottle? I feel like I just need to put that out in my bathroom now, just so when people come round they'll think that I'm so posh. Turn back time, it says. So it comes in a little pump like this. Oh. If it does smell of anything, I can't smell it because I've just rubbed moisturiser on. But you know what? What's a good place for anti-aging is a neck. Should we put some on there? Once I pumped it out, I don't want to waste it, do I? Simply Argan's core product is a high quality, pure organic, cold press, cosmetic grade argan. The Simply Argan range includes over 30 products: shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hand wash, hair serum, cleanser, toner, exfoliating scrub, face cream and eye gel. Simply Argan helps repair, nourish, moisturise and maintain healthy skin. The natural composition makes it an amazingly versatile oil, and in addition to the amazing solution for the skin, it also works wonders on hair, nails and lips. The oil contains no artificial colouring, preservatives or perfumes. Use undiluted on the face, body, nails and hair. It can also be used as a bath oil. So this box costs £7.50 plus £3.75 postage and package, which is a total of £11.45 for all these items. The total value of the box is £33.69, and I'm very happy with that because you know I like my good box value to box cost ratio. And I'm really excited to try out some of these products. This sponge looks really amazing. This smelled fantastic. And I cannot wait to give myself a good scrub down. I love to exfoliate with things that have the power of beads, but do not have beads in them. And as a person with plenty of stretch marks and scars, I scarf really easily. I am going to enjoy using this. I think it's just a really nice box of things. So I'm really happy that I got this bargain. If you wanted to buy this box, you can still buy it for $15.95 plus postage and packaging, another $3.75. However, if you took up a subscription, you'll be able to get this box for £7.50 plus P&P and get your next month's subscription as well. So that is really good. I don't know if you could, I think you could choose this box. I'm sure that they would let you choose this particular one if you wanted, because they are very kind there. But I think it's more likely you get the previous month's box if you didn't choose. But it's just a great way to get an introductory offer, get a bargain box, and of course you can use my code or somebody else's code to get even more of a discount off the cost of the boxes. So why do I like this month's Little Known Box? Well, do I like October's Little Known Box? Yes, I do. I think it's really nice, and I think it's wonderful to have a box that is so based in nature, and it's ethical, and it's good for our planet, and good for us. We should look after our world. And as we say, we're only caretakers for the next generation, right? And I'm particularly thrilled by the fact that this bottle is recyclable, because how many bottles could be recyclable? So if other brands can make plastic stuff that is recyclable, why can't everyone do it? It really frustrates me when you get something and it says, oh yes, plastic, oh not yet recyclable, only recyclable in certain areas, and oh it's got some little bit of it that means it's not recyclable because it's got one tiny thing on it, you know? So brands, take note. If you can use recycled items, please do. If you can use things that are recyclable, even better. And ultimately, use things that are recycled and recyclable. Because why not? Let's save the planet. So Kelly, I'm thinking of you with this box, okay? Hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I can't wait for you to see me next time with more unboxings and all kinds of things that I have in store for you. Until we see each other again, live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys!